Hi, this is Gomati and welcome to Artifacets. Before we start anything else, let me wish all the women out there in the world a very happy International Women's Day. So, today's video is my attempt to make something special for Women's Day, and I'm not sure how it is going to be. This is my first attempt, and let's see how it goes. Let's get started. And thank you for all the support you've shown to us so far. And for more such videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is Fevicryl molded clay. I have a full packet of I think 12 of these. You can get the smaller ones as well. Mix these two in equal quantity, and I'm using a bit of talcum powder so that it doesn't stick to my hands or the table. So mix them together properly till you get one uniform color. Now roll a thin slab out of it. I'm using a wooden tool here. You can use a brush as well, a painting brush as well. Make a thin slab out of it and let it dry a bit. Now using a bottle cap, I'm just cutting a circular shape out of it. Just make it a bit neat on the edges, since I'm trying to make a something rough out of it. I'm not really bothered about making it dead smooth. It is not very smooth. It is a little rough, and I'm making a shape of a mother and child with the clay. Once this dries completely, take Fevicryl black paint, acrylic color, and a bit of gold dust, Fevicryl gold dust. And I'm trying to get a rough gold look to this, a dull gold. Once it dries completely, only then start painting. Paint it black thoroughly first, and then just dab a bit of gold dust around it, on it, all over. This is nylon jewelry cord from Etsy Bitsy. This is their own brand called Little Birdie. You can find their link in the description box. You can find links to buy all the items that I have used in the description box. I'm taking 2 layers of this cord, and I'm making 2 small piercings on the pendant for the cord to pass through. and just tie the cord. I also have some jewelry essentials that again I got from Itsy Bitsy. You can use those to clamp the hooks. That's it in today's video, guys. I hope you have liked it. And if you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for your time and keep watching Artifacets. Thank you so much.